Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I am back with the Conversion Pros, one of the marketing systems I've been using for quite a while. Number one, all-in-one marketing system. Okay, has landing pages, pre-made landing pages. I can create landing pages. I mean, it's a total turnkey marketing tool that everyone should have in their arsenal. You can get started with this for free. Okay, they give you a free trial. Okay, 2-week free trial. You can check it out, get access to everything, see how you like it. If you like it, you can upgrade. It's $50 a month, but not just $50 a month, guys. You also earn residual income. Excuse me. For everybody you refer, you make $25 per referral. Month after month after month, residual income. Okay, because everyone that's a marketer out here, whether it's a brick and mortar or an online business, you need a marketing system, a full suite. Okay, and we have that here with the Conversion Pros. I'm going to put the link in the description. Go check it out. They have a Facebook group as well. You will be added to that also. And what I also like about this, if you want to share any of your pages, they have share codes. Okay, let's say I create a page, a capture page or a funnel that you like. I can give you my share code. You can simply copy it and replicate the exact page. Okay, so that way you don't have to do it. All right. So it's a plethora of training. It's a plethora of marketing tools in here that you can use to help you with your primary business, whatever it is. Okay, use this system. Just like it says right here, features unlimited emails, unlimited contacts, unlimited campaigns, attach specific landing pages to each list, share codes to replicate a series to your team, embed your own videos and graphics. I love this system. All right. So what I'm going to do though today is I'm going to talk about the update they've made. Okay. But you can go check this out for yourself. The link is in the description. But the new update today is they have added another feature to this system. Traffic, which is what everybody needs. So I'm going to show you that so that you can have another avenue, if you will, or another source to get traffic. I always buy traffic, so I know it's very much needed because I don't go out and chase people around. I don't follow folks on Facebook. I don't do any of that. That's just not my marketing strategy. So personally, I prefer to do a couple things. I do paid advertising, okay, which is purchasing traffic, and then I also do attraction marketing, okay. Those are the ways that I promote my business. So that's great to see that they've added that to a system that I already use anyway. All right, so I'm going to show you guys that. So hang on one second. So they have this notification. I actually log in every day because I also send my broadcast emails from here as well, some of them. So here they've notified us. Okay, so if you go check, log in your back office, go into corporate notifications, you will see the new addition here. Hang on a second, log me out. Okay, so once you click messages, it says right here, TCP traffic feature is now live. You can now get instant access to targeted traffic that converts. Tap into millions of real visitors currently available on our extensive network daily and reach high intent users who are in the market for your product and services. So let's go check it out. This just got started June 16th. So let's go check it out. All right, so here's the page. I really like this, the way they have this set up here. And there's a little video here. And here's another video. Now let's take a look at what the cost is for the traffic packages they have. Okay, not bad. It's pretty competitive to what's already out here in the marketplace. 100 click solo ad is $80. 250 click solo is $195. 500, $375, and it goes up from there. Okay, so now you can go to TCP and get your traffic, guys. Okay, another vendor that you can add to your list. Now right here is what you would where you would put your redirect. I highly recommend you use a capture page system. You don't want to send people directly to your sales page. That's a no-no. Okay, you need to capture your leads and have a system follow up with them on your behalf, which is what I do. That's why I use the Conversion Pros. Okay, so this is where you're going to put your redirect link right there. Just paste it there, select which package you want, and make your payment. That's it. Really simple. So you're going to click that link that I have in the description. Once you log in, you come over here to order leads, and you will see the option to order your traffic. Disclaimer, please note that these traffic leads are real visitors based in the United States. We do not currently supply traffic leads from outside of the US. So that's a great thing. Okay, so guys, go to the link in the description, get you some traffic. This is how I market, because I'd rather people look at what I have to offer on their own time. Okay, that seems to be the success model for me and many others. But this way it frees up your time. Just do your paid traffic. This is how this works. Either you're going to do paid traffic, because you got to do advertising. You got to market whatever business you're trying to promote. So either you're going to do paid marketing, or you're going to do the marketing yourself for free. Okay, if it's free, but you got to put the time in and do the work. Whether it's social media marketing, you've got to put yourself out here to get people, to direct people to your business opportunity. So either way, that's got to be done. All right, so again, another source that you could add to your business opportunity. You have to have leads. You have to have eyeballs of people looking at your opportunity. And this is consistent. Okay, you've got to be consistent with this stuff. You can't just do this today and say, hey, I bought 100 BizOp traffic source, nothing happened. Doesn't work that way, guys. You may get a sale that first round. You may not. It may take a month. It may take 6 weeks. But you have to keep going and going and going. It's promotion. It's marketing. It's required, okay, in affiliate marketing. It's just required in general, okay? You've got to promote your business. That being said, let's take a look and see where we are with what I've earned thus far with the Conversion Pros. Marketers like myself, we're at 9,800. We're almost at 10K earned just simply sharing this with other people. This marketing suite, guys, you're able to earn $25 residually month after month after month. This company pays every Friday. They've been around for years now, okay? So this is not a fly-by-night company. They've been around. The Conversion Pros, go check them out. My link is in the description. And if you take a look at most of the, I got 2 systems I use, but most of the marketing sites that I use, I've created in the Conversion Pros. With that being said, let's take a listen to this lead video, see what it's all about. Let us send traffic to your offer. Check it out.
You want results, right? Guess what? Your offer can be awesome, but if no one sees it, then you'll lack results. That's like having a Ferrari and never putting gas in the tank. It goes nowhere. People seeing your offer is the lifeblood of your business. That's why the Conversion Pros now has traffic packs where we send hot, fresh opportunity seekers from the USA right to any page that you choose. You can send them to a capture page or landing page, or you can send them to one of your rotators so you can launch many offers at the same time. Or choose any website of your choice, and we'll send it hot, fresh traffic. The more eyes you get on your offer, the better chance of conversions will be. Stop struggling trying to learn where to market and advertise your pages. Just sit back and let us drive people right to your page. These people are all looking for an opportunity to make an income. If you offer that, then this traffic is perfect for you. We have several different packages to choose from, starting extremely affordably. We also offer hot real-time leads as well as traffic pack. We've got you covered so you can start getting the results you want. Just become a TCP member for free, then click on the Order Leads tab. From there, you can order traffic or leads or both. Click the button below to become a member and access this traffic immediately.
All right, guys, you've heard it. TCP has traffic now. So go ahead, click that link in the description. You can take the free trial, go in the back office, order your traffic, and start sending traffic to whatever business opportunity you have. As I stated, you want to send it to a capture page, though. Do not send traffic. These are cold leads. Do not send them straight to your landing page. You want to send them to a capture page. All right. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, guys. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.